This is the Fire and Ice theme by Chains. So theme or Kodi theme is basically that. You've got background pictures, which you guys know that I like background pictures, and there's no add-ons on here at all. So this basically Kodi app build or whatever with just background pictures and skin. As you can see, if you press up, takes you into the sub menu. If you press down, that is the main menu, and there's nothing installed on this. So this is basically a blank Kodi with background pictures. So it's for you guys to add your own add-ons to it, or your own media, whatever you want to do. And I'm just showing you the background pictures that come with this skin, whatever like that. Yeah. Enjoy.